Hey, this is Brian Kliss Cabinets, inventor of the speed divider by FastCap. I decided to add on just another station to my lumber rack, so I was just going to go over that process real quick. It takes like just a few minutes, seriously, like zero investment into adding more. So I ripped a short piece, half-inch groove on just a scrap piece of lumber, and we're going to screw it to the wall and add on to our lumber rack, and show you a few of the considerations I make along the way. Alright, and it's just as easy as setting a few dividers in there. Much easier than putting pipes and pipe flanges. A lot cheaper too, actually. These are way more affordable than pipes and flanges. But I like mine, 28 inches off the ground or so at the bottom. And then at the top, I like them at the height where you can just reach them about as far as you can reach. That way you can adjust them left and right. And that combination gives you a nice sorted lumber rack. Nicely packaged, 10 in a box. And just a quick tip on the dado or groove in your solid piece of wood for the speed divider is this is set up for exactly a ½ inch, but if you want these a little tighter, say you don't want them to slide as easily left and right, you want them in there pretty firmly, all you have to do is fatten this up, make it maybe a heavy ½ inch. You can always secure them in the holes right there if you don't want them to move. So, speed divider tips. Made these little placards out of dry erase board and bonded it to some 1/4 inch in there. If you put a little groove in there like that with your bandsaw, they are perfect for just going right in the end like this. And then you have a nice little marker for your material. I just want to highlight some of the advantages of storing your lumber vertically. When your lumber is stored vertically, you can automatically gauge the length of all the lumber in your rack. You can see which boards are shorter, whether you have an 8-footer or a 9-footer. But also, you can gauge your width. And I kind of try to arrange my lumber, left to right, wider width to smaller. Because there's just so many times when you need, like a 5-inch board to get, 2-inch, 2¼ inch pieces out of. And you're going to get your optimum yield if you just select the right width board. So, by storing your lumber vertically like that, that just gives you a huge advantage. Your yield and waste will go way down when you start storing lumber vertically. You can see everything, get to everything, no stacking, unstacking, the right board when you need it.